Great morning all, I am Dr.saalai Kalpana connecting you with Siddha Mudra. Today we are going to see an important secret revealed by our Siddhas or sages. You already know our word Siddha Mudra is coined based on these sages or Siddhas. They are revealing the secret connection between the Panchabhutas or 5 elements of the nature and our sensory organs. First of all, the smelling sensation. The smelling sensation is directly related with the earth element of our body, and the taste sensation is related with the water element. Likewise, the touch sensation is connected to air, and the sensation of seeing or sight is connected with fire. And the very subtle or important thing is this space element or ether element is connected directly with our hearing sense. Not only hearing sense, there are very small spaces within our ear. So, this space or ether element occupies an important role in our hearing sensation, all our ear related problems. And as we all know that ear has a role in hearing, but the thing we don't know is the ear has an important fluid which balances our whole body. This balance makes us to walk very stable or think very stable. If the space element is getting affected, the balance will be getting affected and you will be getting some sort of giddiness. So, medically we call it as vertigo. So many persons are affected by this vertigo, but they don't know the reason of the vertigo. The actual reason of the vertigo is imbalance in the ether element or space element in our ear. So, how to tackle this is very simple. We have to perform Akash Mudra or Ether Mudra 5 to 10 minutes twice daily. And you are having a vertigo or giddiness to a small extent. Even 5 minutes twice daily is enough and more. And if you are having vertigo for so many years, 3 years or 5 years, and you are suffering more, you can perform this mudra up to 10 minutes twice daily. Don't forget that the time must not exceed 20 minutes per day. Because as we already saw, the ether element is the space which gives space to all the elements. So, we must be always careful with the ether element as it deals directly with our subtle mind. Apart from vertigo, what are all the ear related problems our space or ether element will cater is, if you have any ringing sensation in your ear or buzzing sound in your ear, it represents that your ether element has gone high. If you have any sensation of dampness or loss of hearing sensation, it represents that your ether element is getting low. And what you are going to do for both these conditions, where either it may be a ringing or buzzing sound, or it may be a damp or loss of hearing. For both of these conditions, we are not going to increase or decrease the ether element, because ether element must never be increased or decreased. Ether element must be only balanced. So, we can perform this excellent ether mudra or space mudra or akash mudra only in the sitting position. Already when your balance is getting affected by vertigo, you must do this mudra only in the sitting position, not in the standing or not in the moving position or walking position or lying down position. Please do this mudra only in the sitting position. How we are going to perform this mudra is, we are going to touch the tips of the thumb with the middle finger. That's all. It's very simple. You must not put so much pressure between these two fingers, particularly for this ether mudra or space mudra. So, you must just gently touch. It's just a feather touch, and as usual all the other 3 fingers must be extended. The palm must be facing upwards and your hand must be placed in your lap. The hand must not extend apart from the knee. It must be kept over the knee or within the knee position so that your elbow is bent. In this position, you can perform this mudra for 5 to 10 minutes per day and get rid of your ringing sound in the ear, buzzing sound in the ear, vertigo and any other ear related problems. Thank you all.